Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I told you in the last class, if you have any doubts, you have to come with your doubts because today is our last session, the revision. If any questions, anything is there, you just ask me. I will explain that part from the all 5 units. So I thought everyone came. Actually, we are uh, solving some numerical problems. In the from last few classes, we have not seen any numerical problem. We are just concentrating on the hierarchical part. So now in short, today we will solve some problems. So before going for some problems, I want to ask you, my voice is clear? Voice is clear? Voice is clear? Aman? Aman Shanawaz, just respond. Voice clear? Walaikum Assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay. See, now we are going for the first numerical problem in from the water chemistry. In water chemistry, generally you are getting the two of problem. Generally, if you solve, people are telling sometimes that my screen is not clear. So I have solved problem before only, and here everything is there. Now see how to calculate the or how to solve the problem. If you are having any doubt, you have to put a message. Very fast you have to put the message now. Okay. So first of all, we'll see the problem which is based on hard disk. No one give you the headings in that one, but at least you have to understand. So from which part you are getting the numerical problem. That is the reason here I have written the problem based on the hardness. In this type questions or numerical, have to find out the hardness. We are having three types of hardness. One is the temporary hardness, permanent hardness, and total hardness. To define the question, you have to find out the temporary, permanent, or hardness. So see, question you have to read very clearly. I request all my students, you have to bring the notebook. You have to carry your notebook. You have to write down some points. You have to write down some points. So here, first question is there. A sample of hot water contains the following impurities or following dissolved salt per liter. After the question, you have to understand the meaning of each and every word, each and every line. So first, वाटर सैंपल है एक, कितना है, 1 लीटर है, उसमें ये सॉल्ट प्रेजेंट है. विच सॉल्ट इज गिवन? नेक्स्ट कैल्शियम क्लोराइड CaCl2 11.1 milligrams are given. Okay, whatever amount is there, it is present in the milligram. calcium sulfate 1.36 milligram, then calcium bicarbonate 16.2 milligram, magnesium bicarbonate 14.6 milligram, silica 40 milligram. Okay, just wait. Now my voice is okay. Hmm? I think voice is not breaking. Huh? If it is breaking, you just tell me again. I will relog. So I have read the half percent that silica is 40 grams and turbidity is 10 milligrams. Calculate the temperature, permanent and total hardness of water in ppm. So now you have to calculate. So what method or what is the solution? First of all, you have to make a table. You can do one by one also, but if you are solving one by will take more time. It will take more time and it is very difficult. So that is the reason what you have to do. You have to draw a table with 4 to 5 columns. In the first column, you have to write down the real number. Second column, you have hardness causing salt. Hardness causing salt, I am denoting with the weight of it is the weight of hardness causing salt. Then the third column is molecular weight of hardness causing salt. And the last one, equivalent weight of calcium carbonate. You are converting the weight of the sample in terms of calcium carbonate equivalent. In the pre class in college, we have already calculated so for the molecular weight in your notebook already it is given for each and every salt. So I am taking the molecular weight. So if you see the question, the first salt is carbonate is given. What is given? The calcium carbonate and its weight. So first of all I will write carbonate, calcium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. These four salts are given in the question. More two things are the first one is the turbidity and next one the silica is there. But we know silica and turbidity is not causing any to the water. That is the reason I am not calculating it. Clear? And silica is not causing. If anything is not causing hardness to the water, don't calculate for it. There is a simple phenomena is there. So here calcium carbonate how much it is given 11 milligram per liter. Calcium sulfate 1.36 milligram per liter. Calcium bicarbonate 16.2 milligram per liter. Magnesium bicarbonate 14.6 milligrams per liter. Then I will go for the next one and here I will write down the molecular weight of the hardness causing salt. Calcium chloride's molecular weight is 111 or triple one. Molecular weight of calcium sulfate is 130. कैल्शियम बाइकार्बोनेट का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना है 162 है और मैग्नीशियम बाइकार्बोनेट का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना है 146 है. If you remember the formula how to convert the hardness in terms of calcium carbonate, already in the notes this formula is given. We have already learned in terms of calcium carbonate, how to calculate? So same formula in here. Weight of the hardness causing salt, weight of the hardness causing salt divided molecular weight of the hardness causing into 100. So in the what is the hardness causing salt is there? कैल्शियम पहला सॉल्ट कौन सा है हमारा कैल्शियम क्लोराइड उसका मॉलिक्यूलर उसका वेट कितना है 0.1 है देन उसके बाद क्या है उसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट 111 है into 100 if you solve then you are getting the answer is 10 milligram per liter 10 milligram per liter clear give me answer clear for everyone okay for the next same way we have to calculate the next salt that is phosphate. What is the formula is there? Weight equivalence weight of calcium is equal to weight divided by molecular 100. Here I have written the formula C. But every time I'm not writing the formula, I'm just putting the and I'm calculating. Previously we are calculating for calcium chloride. I have written for the weight of calcium chloride, but here I am calculating for calcium sulfate. Okay? SO4. So I will write down the weight of CaSO4. That is 1.36 divided by 136. 136 क्या है इसमें molecule of the calcium sulfate है in red. So this decimal if you will remove down you are getting the two zeros. These two zeros will get cancelled. Is divided by 136 means 1. So here answer I am getting the 1 per liter. Then I am going for the calcium bicarbonate. What is the weight sample is given 16.2 divided by 162 200. Every time if you see the method is same, I am using the same. I have drawn the table. It is simple to calculate. 16 divided by 162 into 100. 162 क्या है molecular weight of calcium bicarbonate. Remove this decimal, how many zeros I have to add down? Only one because after number only decimal is there. So here I will put zeros. So when I will get 10 milligram per liter. Then next I am going for the magnesium carbonate. Same way 14.6 divided by 146 into 100 plus the decimal. If we are removing this decimal, here you have to put the 0, then this 0 and this 0 will get cancelled. 0, 146 will get cancelled. So answer you are getting the 10 per liter. Hope you have clear. It's very simple. Only we are putting the values and we are calculating. Tell me it's clear or not. If it's clear, move for the next part. Okay. Now we are moving for the next part. Okay, Aman. Thank you for you now. So now we are moving for the next part. See what I told previously I have written here. In the question silica and turbidity given. Okay, silica and turbidity is given but not calculated. What is the reason is there? I have mentioned here. Silica and turbidity must be considered because they do not cause hardness to the water. So clearly you have to write down. The examiner will understand very easily. Then in the question, what is given? Calculate the temporary hardness, permanent hardness, total hardness. So we will calculate one by one. Temporary hardness. Is Aman, okay. After this question, I connect and I will relog now. So temporary there now. So in temporary hardness, what is the we know which is responsible for the temporary hardness is nothing but the bicarbonate salt. So which salts are given here? Calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. So I will write down temporary hardness is equal to weight of calcium bicarbonate plus weight of magnesium bicarbonate. Whatever answer is came in the last column, that is 10 plus 10, 20 milligram per. Next one, permanent hardness is there. Permanent hardness, which salts are responsible in the given calcium chloride and calcium. After calculating, we have got the weight for calcium chloride is 10, for calcium 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11 milligram per liter. Total hardness, we know. What is the formula of total hardness? Temporary plus permanent hardness. T plus 11, that is equal to 31 milligram per liter. Already he asked that like in terms of ppm, but 1 milligram per liter equal to 1. That's why 31 milligram per liter is 31 parts per million. So now I connect my audio and video and I will relog it. So you have to see if any questions are there, you have to ask me, or if it is you have to message me that madam you have to move for the next part. So I will see what is going on